The ongoing legal battle over alimony between Wendy Williams, 60, and her ex-husband Kevin Hunter, 52, is far from over, and it has only grown more intense in recent years. As Williams grapples with her own health challenges, Hunter continues to pursue what he claims is his rightful share of her wealth, a pursuit that has painted him as a controversial figure, reviled by many who followed Wendy's rise to fame and success. Their marriage, which once seemed like a solid partnership, crumbled under public scrutiny after nearly 2 decades. In 2020, they finalized their divorce, but the legal entanglements between the two have not ended. Kevin Hunter, once integral to the success of The Wendy Williams Show, has repeatedly claimed that Williams ceased alimony payments after she was placed under a court-ordered guardianship in May 2022, leaving him in what he describes as financial ruin. His attempts to reclaim what he believes he's owed have played out publicly, with him often taking to social media to air grievances and defend his actions despite facing public scorn. Since May 2024, when he vanished from social media after filing court documents to resume the so-called severance payments from Williams, Hunter has kept a relatively low profile. Yet, it appears his break from the public eye was temporary. In recent months, he has returned, reigniting his legal battle against his ex-wife with newfound intensity. Hunter's latest legal maneuver to compel Wendy to appear at court hearings has been met with fierce backlash, with many viewing his actions as desperate and opportunistic. His resurgence in the legal arena comes shortly after Wendy Williams' first public appearance in over a year. In August, the beloved media personality, who has been battling Graves' disease and a slew of other health issues, was seen in a Facebook photo with Victor Bowman Jr., the son of the renowned herbalist Alfredo Bowman, also known as Dr. Sebi. Wendy's visit to Newark, New Jersey, to shop for herbal products became fodder for her ex-husband's argument. He seemed to believe that if she could travel to shop, she should be able to stand before a judge and address the alimony dispute. Hunter's fixation on his former wife's finances is a far cry from the lavish life they once shared. Now living in Florida after selling her $4.5 million Manhattan penthouse in 2023, Wendy has distanced herself from the chaos of her past life in New York. Yet, despite her battles with health and financial challenges, Hunter seems intent on pushing forward. On his private Instagram account, which he made private after resurfacing, Hunter's bio reads, "Father, vegan, executive producer and influencer, Hunter Publishing Group," as if to project the image of a successful businessman and devoted father. However, the reality of his situation paints a different picture. According to him, he hasn't received an alimony payment since January 2022, before Wendy was placed under the court-ordered conservatorship. This conservatorship, designed to protect Wendy's finances and medical care, placed her legal guardian Sabrina Morrissey at the helm of her estate. Kevin Hunter's quest to return to his once lavish lifestyle through continued alimony payments is just one of many legal filings. Earlier this year, he petitioned the court to reinstate his payments, despite Wendy being out of work since her show was canceled in 2022. A judge, however, denied his request to access Wendy's financial records and bank statements. In a rare legal twist, Morrissey, acting on behalf of Wendy's estate, alleged that Hunter had already received 6-figure payments that were unwarranted and demanded those funds be returned. Along with this, Morrissey sought a gag order, hoping to prevent Hunter from continuing to speak publicly about the matter. Despite these setbacks, Hunter has remained undeterred, fighting for what he claims is his right. In documents filed in July, he questioned Morrissey's legal standing, arguing that her guardianship, which was established in New York, did not apply in New Jersey, where the alimony proceedings are being held. He insisted that Morrissey should not be representing Wendy in these matters, stating, "Ms. Morrissey is not a party to the divorce and therefore should not be involved in this proceeding." Hunter's argument for Wendy to appear in court on her own behalf seems disconnected from her reality. Wendy, who has been diagnosed with several debilitating conditions including Graves' disease, thyroid issues, lymphedema, aphasia, and frontotemporal dementia, is reportedly in a fragile state. Many fans and onlookers are baffled by Hunter's insistence that Wendy should be forced to appear in court despite her health challenges, viewing it as an attempt to exploit her vulnerabilities. The backlash against Hunter has been swift and fierce. On social media, fans and followers of Wendy Williams have not hesitated to share their opinions, with many expressing disbelief at Hunter's continued legal maneuvers. "Very sad man. Like, let it go. Go get a job," one user commented. Others have been even harsher, noting Hunter's well-documented history of infidelity and poor decision-making. "Mind you, he cheated on her and had a baby on her while married to her, so I'm confused as to why he should get anything," another added. These comments highlight the public's disdain for Hunter, who many feel has already taken more than his fair share from Wendy. Hunter's affair with Sharona Hudson, his mistress of 15 years, was one of the key reasons behind Wendy's decision to file for divorce in April 2019, ending nearly 20 years of marriage. The final blow came when Hudson gave birth to Hunter's daughter just a month before Wendy filed for divorce. This betrayal, combined with Hunter's long-term infidelity, left Wendy reeling emotionally and financially. Fans have often expressed sympathy for Wendy, noting how Hunter's actions not only hurt her personally but also put her in a precarious financial situation. In the years since their divorce, Wendy's financial troubles have only worsened. In January 2022, Wells Fargo froze her accounts amid growing concerns about her health and well-being. Around the same time, Hunter claimed he stopped receiving his alimony payments, further complicating matters. Court ultimately determined that Wendy's condition warranted a guardian to manage her finances, leaving Kevin Hunter unable to access the wealth he once enjoyed. Wendy Williams, who rose to prominence in the 1990s as a radio personality, became a household name with The Wendy Williams Show, which ran from 2008 to 2022. Her larger-than-life personality and unfiltered approach to celebrity gossip made her a beloved figure in daytime television, but behind the scenes, she struggled with her health and personal life. Hunter, who once served as her manager and executive producer of her show, remained a fixture in her professional life even after their separation, though many now see his role as exploitative. While Wendy continues to grapple with her health issues, Kevin Hunter's fight for more money has left a sour taste in the mouths of many. His attempts to paint himself as a victim have largely fallen flat, with the public viewing him as opportunistic and unsympathetic. As one social media user put it, him and his mistress deserve all the karma that's coming their way. Despite the legal and personal challenges she's faced, Wendy's legacy as the queen of daytime gossip remains intact. Fans continue to rally around her, hoping that she can find peace and recovery after years of turmoil. Hunter, on the other hand, appears determined to keep the legal battle going, regardless of the cost to Wendy's well-being. As the months drag on, it's unclear whether Kevin Hunter will succeed in his quest for more alimony, or if Wendy's guardianship will continue to shield her from his legal demands. What is certain, however, is that this ongoing drama has left a permanent mark on both their lives, one filled with love, betrayal, wealth, and loss. In the end, only time will tell how this saga will resolve, but for now, Wendy Williams fans remain firmly in her corner, hoping she can emerge from this battle with her dignity, health, and financial security intact.